Encaustic cement tiles, a refined choice for spiritual architectural spaces. Encaustic cement tiles have long been a refined choice in architecture, especially for spaces that carry cultural and spiritual value. With their classical charm, Viet Tiles encaustic cement tiles stand out for their harmonious symmetrical patterns, warm muted tones, and meticulous handcrafted details. These elements together create an atmosphere that is solemn and serene, yet still rich in artistic expression and emotional depth. Beyond serving as a finishing material, encaustic cement tiles also help shape the story of a space. From corridors and reception halls to heritage-inspired, nostalgic, or spiritual architectural settings, each tile contributes to preserving aesthetic and cultural values over time. The blend of tradition and artistry in every design brings a deeper sense of meaning and sophistication to the space. With a carefully controlled production process, Viet Tiles encaustic cement tiles ensure high durability, lasting color stability, and enduring aesthetic value, accompanying architectural works that emphasize identity and spiritual significance.